Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. This matters. Have the device serial, model, and purchase info at hand, and confirm which Apple ID is signed in. Once done, try to sign in at iForget. Apple. COM to begin legitimate account recovery, or check the Apple ID settings on another trusted device. Make sure you know any recovery email or trusted phone number. These steps prevent unnecessary resets and help Apple verify you, so you avoid losing data unnecessarily. Next, follow official recovery routes. Do not use third-party tools that claim to remove restrictions. You can start account recovery online or make an appointment at an Apple store where a technician can verify your ownership. Bring photo ID and the purchase receipt. These speed verification. If recovery takes time, ask about data preservation options and whether a service can restore access without erasing your device. These paths are secure, supported, and legally sound, so finally complete recovery under Apple's guidance. If account recovery succeeds, sign in and reset your screen time settings. If not, Apple may offer a controlled erase tied to proof of purchase. Make sure you understand data loss implications. Keep checking the recovery status and maintain contact with support. Troubleshooting tip. If the process stalls, confirm all your identity documents and the device serial are correct. Incorrect details are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.